video's objective is to enlighten our viewers on rubber dam application. Let's see the basic armamentarium used for rubber dam isolation. This is the rubber dam template. These are the rubber dam clamps. We have stainless steel frames in 3 sizes. This is for pedo patients, this is for adults, and this one is the medium sized. This is the plastic frame, rubber dam punch forceps, clamp holding forceps. We would be using these rubber dam sheets. Let's start the rubber dam application process now. We will start with securing the clamp with the help of a dental floss. This is typically done for safe and easy retrieval of the clamp in case of accidental aspiration or swallowing by the patient. We will start from one end and wrap it around the bow. We give multiple folds so that in case of fracture we are able to retrieve every part of the clamp. So the clamp is nicely secured now. Let's start its placement. We will be isolating multiple teeth starting from first molar till central incisor. Using these clamp holding forceps, let's secure the clamp onto the first molar. We have chosen 14A size for the first molar. While placing it, make certain that it is below the contours and above the gingival margin. Check for stability and all 4 points of contact. This is a stainless steel rubber dam template from the Waldent rubber dam kit. It already has markings for deciduous and permanent teeth. We are going to place the rubber dam sheet over this template and we can mark the tooth or teeth required for isolation. In this case, we are going to mark it from 3.6 to 3.1. This kit offers Ainsworth type of punch forceps. It has 5 holes of different sizes. These 2 holes are mostly used for molars. These can be used for premolars and the rest ones for canines and central incisors. The rotating table can be adjusted at a desired position and then we punch it. We are starting with punching for 3.6. The forceps has already been adjusted to the largest hole. Beginning with placement of the dam on the distal most tooth, which is 3.6 here, we will go on to 1.6. To secure the rubber dam sheet in the anterior most part, place the wedget here. We have chosen an adult size frame.